Hi guys, today I want us to go through this isometric projection. I want to draw the full view of it in isometric. First we said in order to draw an isometric projection we must start by identifying the length, width and height. Our length will be given by this 260 added the diameter, the radius of this circle and the radius of this circle. Therefore it is 260 up to there plus the radius, which is 100 divided by 2, which is 50. So it is 260 plus 50. Then we add the other radius of this circle, which is 50, the bigger circle, 50. So our length will be 360. Our width will be given by the diameter of the outermost circle, which is 50 times 2, which is 100. Also, if we check the other side, it is given as diameter 100. So our width will be given by 100. Our height will be given, our measure height is 40 plus 80. So our height will be given by 80 plus 40, which is 120. Therefore, we have our length, width and height. Our length is 360, our width is 100 and our height is 120. For our length, we have 360, and for it to fit in our A3 books, this 360 is too long, it cannot fit. Therefore, I want to introduce another thing. We will have to use a scale in order to fit in our A3 papers. In scale, we can say 1:2, meaning 1 millimeter represents 2 millimeters, as you can put it. Therefore, we have to divide everything by 2. So our length will be divided by 2, which is 360 divided by 2 is 180. And our width will also be divided by 2 to give us 50. Our height will be divided by 2 to give us 60. Therefore, every measurement in this diagram will also be divided by 2. Therefore, we will be using a scale of 1:2 for it to fit in our A3 papers. Therefore, let me start with the construction. So when you want to start a construction, that is how you put your router. That is 30 degrees for isometric. That one is 30. Then the height. But we put your measurements, which is 180. 180 is 4 to here 14. 14 plus 4. This one is better. Our height is 60, the highest. And our length is, our width is 50. So I'm done constructing my cuboid. For accuracy, you can confirm with me. I have used 180 50 by 60. For confirmation, you can confirm this one. Mine is up to 14. There 14 plus 4, it will be from here to 14. That one is 180. You confirm with me. That one is 180 by height is 60 and the width is 50. That's done. I want to start by constructing this semicircle, the larger semicircle. Therefore, the width, the length, the radius of the bigger circle is 50. You start by making a rhombus of side 50. So grab your 50. That one is 50. And from here to that part is 50. So you lift a height of, the height is 60. Therefore, 60 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2, which is 30. We are dividing everything by 2 because we are using a scale of 1:2. That one is 30. That one is 30. I use my ruler to push that line. Be there. That one. Then I push this one. Rotate my ruler again. Push this one this side. Push that one that side. The other side too. Push that line. So we are constructing a rhombus of side 50. There to that side 50. So it is 50. 50. That one is 50. 50. Join that cuboid. Then will be to here. We are done constructing the rhombus. We said in order to draw the semicircle, you start by identifying the shortest diagonal. Then you bisect the lines, which is 50 divided by 2 is 25. Is 25. Come here. I divide this line. I divide this line. Come here. I divide this line. I divide this line. They're done. Then our shortest diagonal is this one. Therefore, you can join this line to that point. Then this one to the other side. Then you draw the longer diagonal. Where they meet, this one is our center 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. This one is 4. Therefore, standing at 3, I draw this curve. I double check this one. That one. And standing at center 2, I draw this curve from this point to that point. We don't need the rest of the circle. That one is enough. We only needed the half the circle. After that, we want to drop this curve from here to here. What we are going to do to draw this curve from this point to this point, we used this center. Therefore, we have to drop this center, this one and this one, to draw this curve. And to draw this one, we used this center, the center 2, to draw the center 2, this point and this one. Therefore, let me drop those points. You drop by, our height was 30. 60 divided by 2, our height was 30. Therefore, we are going to drop by 30. We need this point, 30. We need again this center. There is already a line there. We need this point, center 3. We need this edge, this center. Drop it by that, and this one will be the outermost line. Therefore, we are going to drop everything by 30. Grab your 30 in our compass. That one is 30. You stand here, you drop center 2 up to that point. We call it 2 prime. Okay. This one, when you drop this one, will be at this line. So no need of marking it. Then you drop center 3 again. That one will be our 3 prime. And you drop this edge, the outermost line. It will be there. And you drop this one. This one will be at that point. So no need of drawing that. After that, we used center 2 to draw this curve from this point to this point. So you do the same. You start, okay, drop 2 also. We have not dropped our point 2, center 2. No, it is already done. So I stand at center 2 and this edge and draw a curve up to this point. Then we used center 3 to draw this curve from that to this part. We only need that curve. Therefore, I'm going to stand here and complete the curve at center 3. Then I complete my curve. Now you can HB your work at that point. This will be up to there, HB. This curve will be HB. This curve HB. That's done. Let's move to the smaller curve, this one, with radius of 30. We are dividing everything by 2, therefore it is 15. So our center line is this one. That one is our center line. Therefore, the center is at this point. We have to draw a rhombus of sides 15, of sides 30, because the radius is 15. Grab 15 from my compass. From this point, I will mark 15 this side, 15 this side. Same applies here. I mark 15 this side, 15 this side. I join those points. You can also implement your simpler methods of doing that. Let me join this one from the center. So from here 15 to so my rhombus so that one is my rhombus, this one. Let me bold it a little for it to stand out. So that one is my rhombus of sides 30, because the radius was 15. After that, you identify the shortest diagonal, which is this one, from this point to this point. That one you call out that one, maybe 1 and 2. After identifying our 2, where you bisect this line is already bisected, this one already bisected, this one. Bisect the lines, they are already bisected. Therefore, you join those points to get center 4 and 3. From this point to this point, from to that point. Therefore, our center 4 and 3 will be at those points. Let me change this one to A, B, C, and D to limit confusion. Therefore, to draw the curve of this side, I will stand at point C and I draw that small curve. Next, to draw the other curve, you stand at point B to make this curve. So you can HB that, HB. Only needed the half, so you leave the rest. So that one is our half. These lines are extended, so we'll have to extend them. Let me extend them. I'm going to extend this line from this point to this point. Extend that. Extend this one too. So I'm extending those lines using sketch pencils 2H. This one is not straight. Clear it. So from this point to this point is 60 plus 20, which is 80. We are using a scale of 1:2. There we divide by 2. Therefore, it is 40. Measure 40 from this point. My 40 is around, is there. And then the shorter one is 60. Divide by 2, 30. Therefore, 30. 0 to 30. Yeah. Same applies to the other ones. 30. And 40. Then I join the lines. You can draw that using HB now.